Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I have got another viewer mail box. So this is sent from our friend AJ Lang that you sometimes see online from us. And we're going to give all the details about this amazing box right after this. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so I think she sent me a couple boxes. I think this is the one with the candles in it, I hope. If not, it'll be one with clothing. But I wanted to tell you that she offers 3 different kinds of boxes on her website. The link will be down in the description below. It is RNR, like R and the letter N, designsmarketplace.com. I'll put that across the screen so you can see that. So if this is the candle lot box, she offers them from $35 to $50. I believe this is the $50 box. She said she has a bunch of Yankee candles, which are amazing sellers. Also, she has a makeup and skincare box, anywhere from $25 to $50, a clothing box from $25 to $50, and bonus, she offered, because I did this video on the channel, a promo code HOOKED, all capital letters, HOOKED, and every time you use that promo code, you get a free gift, and she said you can use it as many times as you want. All right? So anytime you buy, use that promo code HOOKED, and you're going to get a free gift in every single box. So here you go. Let's see what's in here. I'm hoping this is the candle box. So she patted it. Ooh, it smells like candles. I think it is. So here's a cool bag of stuff. What is in here? If I can get this untied. I just have to, oh, I got it untied.
Kind of neat packaging.
It is neat packaging. I like it. Ooh, okay, so Yankee candle, like she said, this is golden chestnut. One of those, I think it's a plug-in, right? No, it's a vent for your car. Then we've got another car one, Yankee candle. And these are expensive. I buy the Yankee candle ones for my car. Ooh, okay, so this is packaged really well. Feels very heavy. I love the packaging. Very safe. Ooh, a Yankee candle. It's a jar one. Arctic Frost. Oh my goodness.
It's a nice looking jar.
Oh, it smells so good. My warehouse is going to smell amazing after this unboxing. All right, so that's an awesome one. I love the extra padding. Okay, here's a round one. Is this a jar candle maybe? Ooh, a pillar candle, I'm guessing. Well, I'll tell you what, she does a phenomenal job. Ooh, it is a jar pillar candle. This is a Chesapeake Bay one, Mind and Body Reflection and Clarity. Ooh, look at that. So that's a nice one. And then one more thing in this bag, actually. Shocking. I'm going to start putting all this padding in here. So, all right, then we have another jar one. I'm wondering if it's similar to that or if it's a different scent. This one I think is round. It is. Oh, look at that. All the silver on top. It's a triple wick. Ooh, what scent is that? Look at the bottom though. It's cool. Holiday Spice Homework Scented Candle. Oh my goodness, smells so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision, guys. I really wish we did. Remember, you can click her link down in the description and get a box like this yourself. Don't forget to use that promo code HOOKED. Boy, she packaged this stuff amazing. All the extra padding in here is awesome. Here's another one. Yeah, she did a great job with these boxes. I'm always terrified to ship candles, but clearly she is not. So that's nice. Another Yankee candle. This one is Honey Lavender Gelato. I was trying to read upside down. Ooh, it smells good. So, everything is brand new. Everything is brand new. She actually is starting to sell online because she used to have a store in the Gatlinburg area, I believe, and because of COVID, she had to close her retail space. So she really wants to offer a lot of deals online, and because she doesn't have to pay for the resale space, it's going to make it really nice. Okay, I think that's it. Just what's in this bag is left. Okay, so we'll move this. What is this? It says thank you on it. Oh my word. Look at all that stuff. So this is, okay, so she must have sent me a candle and makeup box. So we're going to see what's in here. If I can get this untied. we go. So I'm seeing Clinique. I'm seeing NYX. Ooh, I love that color. I might have to steal that one. So if you've seen any of these items, my plan was to put these on the fire sale tomorrow, and this video is actually going to go live after that. So here's an Estee Lauder day wear for the eyes. Then we've got Clinique, which is super expensive, kind of a Macy's brand. Then we've got a Smashbox kind of lip gloss. Then this is a Superfan mascara. What is this? This is Confidence Eye Cream. This is a NYX lip gloss. Yeah, lip cream. I'm going to keep this, just so you know. It won't be for sale because I like that color. Ooh, Estee Lauder. Is this openable? It's brand new. There we go. Estee Lauder shadows. We've got Clinique 10 Days to Great Skin. We've got a Josie Marin. I'm sure I'm mispronouncing that. We've got a 111 Skin. What is this? This is Repair Serum. There we go. You see it there? Then we've got an ISH Lip Statement. This is really good stuff. This is a, what is that? I think that might be a lip cream as well. There is a face mask. There's a skin makeover mask. This is a body wash. There's so much in this bag. An anti-breakage mask. This one is a Peter Thomas Roth Firm Peeling Gel. This one is sunscreen. Then we have, what is this? Youth Activating. It's like an eyedropper thingy.
It's the Fountain of Youth.
Fountain of Youth right there. And then here's an eyeliner. Holy buckets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 makeup items. I think I counted that right. 20 makeup items. And then we ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. And I definitely think I'm going to make some money because I know Clinique is really expensive. Estee Lauder is really expensive. Some of these other ones I don't recognize because I'm kind of, I have a specific brand that I use, but I'm definitely going to be thieving this one for myself because I love this color. But if you have a viewer box and you want me to unbox it on my channel, please go ahead and send it to me. You can contact me at hookedonpickin.com. But remember, this is from AJ Lang. She's a faithful viewer of our channel. And like I said, she had to close her retail space. And so she's offering all of these bundles online. Makeup and skincare bundles, clothing bundles, and candle lots. Anywhere from $25 to $50 for all of those. So R&R Designs Marketplace.com is where you can go. And don't forget to use the HOOKED, all caps, hooked promo code, and you will get a free gift anytime you order just because you saw it here. So I'm super excited. She does a great job packaging candles. These right here would terrify me if I had to ship them, but she obviously doesn't have a problem with that. And so go ahead and check out her website, and hopefully you can find some awesome things that you'll be able to either use or resell yourself. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing, how to sell my items, and then of course I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, if you've got a viewer box that you would love to send for me to unbox on my channel, just send me all the info about it, shoot me that box, and I would love to unbox it for you. I love to be able to offer fun new places for my viewers to be able to buy from. Of course, you can always buy from hookedonpickin.com. Don't forget about our awesome fire sales we have on Friday evenings at 6 p.m. Keep a watch on my Facebook page. I always put updates there.